Okay guys, in this video today we're going to talk about how much comfort you're willing to sacrifice for your future self. So you've been wondering, that position that you are in today, it's a result of all the comfort that you've sacrificed throughout your entire life. Whether you're 40 and watching me, whether you're 20, whether you're 25, whether you're 30, the position you are right now is what you've sacrificed for. And are you willing to keep going further ahead? I hope you are. Continue watching the video, because by the end of the video you will see how much delayed gratification really impacts our life. Okay, so now there's this theory about delayed gratification where you're given a choice of taking like one chocolate today, or you're told to wait for at least 2 or 3 days, and then you'll get like 3 bars of chocolate or three pieces of chocolate. That's what we call delayed gratification. And that's why we are here today living the life that we're living today, because we sacrifice that time for not having one chocolate bar, but we put in more effort so that we can get 3 instead of 1, right? And that is what I'm trying to say. Guys, anyone who wants to come to this country or get that visa, whether it's student visa or US visa, or whether you want to improve yourself, whether it's career or even a job, delayed gratification plays an important role. And it doesn't come from nowhere. It comes from everything that we do every single day, okay? It doesn't come from other people watching other people. It only comes from yourself, okay? So you must sacrifice some time. You must sacrifice time, money. I know, especially with the visas and everything, traveling in the US, and if you want to go to college, all that requires money. But something has to give in along the way. Something has to give in for self-improvement, personal finances, your career development, your friendship. Okay, your friendship also. If you're sticking around people who do not have the same ambition as you, please move away from those people. It is a fact that it's been proven you just need like only 1, 2, 3 friends. You don't need 10 friends, okay? Friends who are going to make fun of you, fun of your plans, fun of anything that you were telling them. Hey guys, I'm going to do my interview, or I want to go to college. Oh, college is not good. I don't know, college is not worth it. No, don't listen to them. Practice the art of delayed gratification. Just sacrifice the time that you have. I believe, like right now, anyone who goes on YouTube, you go on YouTube, what do you search? You search for what kind of videos? I don't know, maybe my video, search investing with Lucy or Lucy Aisha. My first vlog, my first name, it was Lucy Aisha Vlogs, right? Remember guys, even if you search on YouTube, you'll find my name. It's the same account. But I decided to change something that people will resonate with: investing, whether it's personal development, whether it's financial journey, or whether it's financial independence, anything that's going to lead to self-improvement. And you have to understand that delayed gratification, it will pay off when the time comes. Imagine you're 20 if you're watching, or 25. You have like 50 more years to practice delayed gratification. So you should never lose hope in practicing or even doing whatever you're doing today, even if things are not working. But remember, like I said, the position you are in today, right now, it's a result of everything that you've been doing before. Like, nothing comes out of the blue. The universe is not there it's not there just watching you. The universe is working with just the way you're also planning your time, your money, your skills, however much you were trying to invest in yourself. The universe is there watching and following what you're doing. And that's why you find other people are succeeding in some areas in life, other areas they're not successful. We're not perfect, okay? For me, this is an opportunity that has come all the way from way back. I didn't wake up one day and find myself in this country, or even like somebody gave me the money. No one gave me the money. I had, like I told you, I used to do side hustles. I used to try like things. When somebody tells me of an opportunity, I just go and try it out. Because why not try it out? Am I losing anything? I'm not losing anything. I'm just trying out. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, it's okay. It's fine. And that's what I'm sticking to, okay? My journey YouTube, I started, oh my gosh, I started YouTube. The first time I registered my email to YouTube was like 2011. I didn't know nothing about YouTube. Then in 2018 I came, traveled a little bit, and then started shooting video, and then I stopped. I figured, oh, this is not for me. Come 2019, I'm like, wait a minute. I started now watching more videos. And I'm like, why not express myself here on YouTube? And this is a very good platform if you want to put yourself out there, talk to people, or show people your skills. By the way, you can earn really good money on YouTube. Don't even doubt that. You've seen other celebrities, how are they able to travel to all these destinations and even buy new houses, buy new cars? You think YouTube is a joke? Like, if you have friends who tell you that, or if you don't even believe that this is where you can get some money, a lot of money, by the way, this is a sign. This is a sign. If you know you have a skill, just put it into practice. Don't tell me you don't have money for the visa, for the application for the student visa, or anything, your schooling, and this is an opportunity here that you're watching, and this video is for people. People are gonna watch till the end, and it's because it resonates with you, right? Yeah, because this is a sign that I'm telling you, go start a YouTube channel, go start talking to people, start showing people your skill. You must have a skill. You must have a skill, even if it's eating gum, chewing gum. You must have a skill. There's something that you've not seen it, and that's why I even started a one-on-one session just to help you figure out what you can do with your talent, whether it's talent or anything. Talent, student visas, financial investing, things that I'm doing myself. Anything that I'm trying to tell you, I have done it myself. I'm not telling you something out of seeing somebody else. No, this is me who's doing it, and I want to share it with you, okay? Like I was saying with my YouTube channel. And then come 2020 is when I realized, oh wow, I can start posting videos. It was a slow but gradual journey. Here I am, almost hitting 4,000 subscribers. Who knew? Like, more than like 7 months ago, I hit 1,000 subscribers. Within 6 months, I've gained like over 2,000 subscribers, just like that, right? Who knew? Who knew I could even get to this place? Because of what? Delayed gratification. I kept telling myself, I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll do this. I don't have a choice. Sometimes I break for like 2-3 weeks, a month, 4 weeks, whatever. But I know the end goal is to keep empowering people, and it's slowly paying it off. It's slowly paying off, and I am happy that I tried it. So there's this theory of the level of, it's like some people get to, for example, in anything that they're doing, there's this journey where this is where you're heading to, that like this is the goal where you get the rewards, and this is the suffering. The suffering keeps going back and forth between this space, okay? This space. So it's called the valley of depression, or the valley of delay, or something, the valley of depression. Once you cross this path, this path, that's it. That's it. Once you cross this path, that's it. But it's upon you to keep yourself, discipline yourself, and tell yourself, I'm going to do this. I can do this. I can move past this roadblock. I can move past this roadblock. And this is just a sign I'm telling you, just do anything out of your comfort zone. Get out of your comfort zone, okay? Nothing comes easy. There's nothing that comes easy, even for the people who have it, unless you were born in riches and all that. But if you're born in riches, you can exit the video, by the way. But if you're born out of poverty, or out of a lot of sacrifices your parents made for you, and even yourself, so far, ever since you started this whole journey of self-improvement, or every single day you wake up, you wonder, why are my things not working? Why are things not working? So this is just to encourage you that you're not alone, by the way. Even me, I'm struggling with my school. It was like the sacrifices I've had to make. I haven't gone to any kind of fun activity like crazy kind of, because I've got school, I've got my side hustles, I've got this YouTube to think about. but I still have a break, right? Because you still need a break. But I still have my end goal to get to, 100K subscribers, get a tick on my channel, or anything that I've planned, that I've written down on a notebook. And this is what I want to say. Getting out of your comfort zone is really, really important. Like now, I started the coaching one-on-one. I want you to come out of your comfort zone. People are asking me all over, Lucy, what do I do? Why do I do this? What do I do that? But I'm here telling you, I have one-on-one coaching services. Come to me. I will explain everything to you. If you're serious, you're going to do it. And that's why we're doing this coaching one-on-one. Because I keep telling people in these videos, you can do this A, B, C, D. But here's the thing. Some people feel like, oh, I can watch this halfway, maybe till the end. But they're not willing to put in the work. They're not willing to put in the work. And that's where the difference is. If I wasn't getting anything out of it, like any self improvement, or any self-esteem, or anything that is building me up from YouTube, I wouldn't be on YouTube. I will not even do YouTube. But I know what it's doing to other people and what it's doing to myself. People are afraid to go on camera and talk to people on YouTube. I know that. But slowly by slowly, it became a reality. And then I told myself, this, I'm going to work on this, and this is going to be my side hustle. And it's going to make me money at the end of the day. Yeah, because I'm empowering you with the information that I have. My people perish due to the lack of knowledge. Why should you perish? And Lucy's here to help you improve on that. So remember, all those sacrifices you're making today, they're going to pay off. Don't be that person in your 40s you wish that, oh my gosh, I wish I had gone to college. Oh my gosh, I wish I had tried that visa. By the way, if you're watching this and you've never even applied for any kind of visa to the embassy, what are you waiting for? You've been watching me since day one. This is your sign. Go try it. It's about time you try it. It's about time you try it. And remember, what you always see in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Keep chasing for greatness. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oops.